Yeah. So what you did, yesterday what we did, install Git on the Jenkins instance, install GitHub plugin in the Jenkins UI, configure the Jenkins, configure Git on the Jenkins. We did same on the yesterday, right? So you can configure the Git and get the code from the. So you can create a job and get the code from the GitHub. So now you have the code. So pull GitHub code. So now you have the code. So then set up Maven on the Jenkins server, set up environment variables with Java home, M2 home. So install Maven plugin and configure the Maven and Java. So set up Maven on a Jenkins. How we can set up the Maven on a Jenkins server? First, we need to set up the Maven on the Jenkins server, guys. You guys see, this is the CI/CD. CI/CD purpose, we need to set up the GitHub and Maven on the Jenkins. GitHub and Maven on the Jenkins. Yeah. So something
Hi,
like
excuse me, please. Excuse me. How do you you talked about code, like those code. How do you know when we get the code on install during the installation?
yeah, just the code will be there in the this simple Java code. So this is the a sample Java DevOps project. In the sample DevOps project, so something like you can get the code. This is the Tomcat code. So this is the code, for example. Okay. Or else something code. I will show you, no worries. A simple project of a jar or var, something like a code. We can get that code. First, we can integrate with a GitHub to the Jenkins. Yeah, integration is done. Okay. Mm, Jenkins. You already done, right? And Jenkins installation and everything. Then I will testing Java project. Something like the project I will show you guys, no worries. Artifactory, in the Artifactory, the Java. Yeah, so not keep. Yep, guys. I will show you the code. I will show you the simple DevOps code or something like a simple Java code. Uh, alone. For example, this is a simple code, a simple web app. So in the web app, there is a something like a pod.xml. The web app something like a web INF. In the web INF web.xml. So this is the a simple code. I will show you how to integrate with the simple code. So, right? Something like first. We already deployed, right? Wow. We took from the cloud. We took from the web something like last time, and we deployed on the container, right? Our deployment on the Kubernetes, right? We deployed on the Kubernetes. Yeah. So this is the Jenkins server. Connect to the Jenkins server. EC2 instance. Connect. Sudo. I'm a root user. Then I want to install the Docker Jenkins Tomcat Kubernetes. I want to install reset guys. Yeah, this is so I want to install the Maven. I want to install the Maven. The setup Maven on the Jenkins server. then set up Maven on the npm server, then set up the environment variables, Java home, M2 and M2 home, Maven to Maven home. So install the Maven plugin on the Jenkins and configure the Maven and Java. So set up the Maven on Jenkins servers. So how we can set up the Maven on Jenkins servers? So we can copy this code and take this. Yes. Yeah. Paste. Yeah. So we are downloading the wget http dcl and apache maven 3 binaries apache 3.8.data.jz. So connected http request sent awaiting response. So something like first you need to get go here, copy, paste. Yeah. So what is that? So binary tar.gz. So binary tar.gz. So what is the option, guys? So if you go yeah, Maven 3.8.5 binaries Apache maven.tar.gz. So if you click this link, yeah, it is downloading, right? Maven T dot. So this is the link. Copy link address. Then go to here, wget, paste it. What is this? Maven 3.9 binaries Apache maven.p.cat. Yes, it's downloaded. ls Apache Maven 3.9 jet is downloaded. So then so we'll move Apache to Maven, move Apache to the Maven. Yeah. So move Apache to the Maven, CD Maven. Then so where you download it? Download in the OPT. Yeah. Okay, okay. So OPT, then CD Maven, CD OPT, LL, CD, OPT, LL, CD bin, LL dot Maven, FN. So we'll check this, guys. We'll check it. So not this, right? I will somewhere else. There is a code. Yes. So this will move Apache to OPT. Yes. CD slash OPT ls that move. So we can move that Apache gz tar icon xvf this one, paste it. Why Apache is yeah, move Apache .3 next to Maven. Yes, no Maven. RMI fun R. So delete it that is it. No Maven. CT Maven. Go to the Maven. Then CD. Bin. Then LL. Yes, Maven file is there, right? So how you can install that Maven file? By using last slash mvn -v. Yeah, the version of the Maven is 11.2.0. Yes, created. Then cd dot cd b cd build like this is it. Set up the variables, set up the environment variables Java home m2 and Java m. So something like go to dot bash profile va dot bash underscore profile. So we can set the m2 values. Get the alias function bash get bash alias b search city f5. Then provide the so Java is installed, right? Java home. So where is the Java home? Let me check Java. First, we need to set up the insert. So then bash rc for our information here. So we are selecting the m2 underscore home Maven home. This is the m2 means Maven home. Maven home equal to opt slash Maven slash Maven m2 equal to slash opt Maven slash bin. Yes. So I'm setting Java underscore home. We're setting the Java underscore home. Something like copy this, then cd usr lib usr slash jv jv Java OpenJDK 11 point Java OpenJDK 11 point this one, right? pwd Java JVM. Notepad, for example, you can take the notepad, guys. Notepad. So this is check. So this is the user in local. Copy. Notepad slash. What is the path, guys? This is the path. Copy. And paste it. Yeah. Copy this. Then go to this server. Go to the server. Then t va hash underscore file. Yes, the profile Java home equal to means insert. Yeah, why this is it. Insert Java home equal to paste. So this is the Java home. So we need to set the M2 home, Maven home, and M2 Java home. Yes, we done everything. Yes, we done. So user specific environment variable and start up the programs. Path user path So we dot bash. Start up the programs. That path, home, path, copy. Yeah, this is the paste. Yeah. Path, home, bin, Java home, yum2 home, yum. Yes, then export path, WQ. Yes, we save. Then echo dollar path. Echo dollar path. Source. Echo dollar A TH path. Yeah, this is the path, guys. So then source start dash underscore profile. Yes. Then echo dollar path. Yeah. Now it set the path, right? OPT Marvel. OPT Marvel. OPT Marvel. So now MVN hyphen V. Yes, MVN hyphen V 3.9.6. So install the Maven plugin. Install the Maven plugin and go to the Jenkins server. So go to the Jenkins HTTP :/. So this is the one, right? I think. What is the instance names, guys? Jenkins details. Oh, this is the one. HTTP :/. Control V HG. This is the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the Jenkins. Username, password. What is the username? Admin username. Password is. What is the password, guys? Cat. Where? What is the path? Ramakrishna. What is the path? Where? Ramakrishna there?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
please give me 1 minute. Please give me 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
Path.
Where Jenkins? Got it.
Yeah, sorry.
What is? Jenkins. No, Jenkins. Path where live Jenkins, huh? Okay. I got it. Initial admin password is the one, right? Copy, paste. Yeah. Go to the manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins plugins. Go to the plugins. Available plugins. Search the Maven. Mm, yep. Install this.
Hari, you getting the path right?
Yes, I got the path.
Okay.
I already got the path. What is? Yeah. So install the Jenkins. So dashboard. Go to the dashboard. Then configure Maven and Java. So how we can configure? Then the manage Jenkins. The tools. Configure the tools. Right. No. Here. System. Global. Configure global settings and paths. Dashboard. This is Maven. URL. JDK, right? Build time mode to time sample fingerprints. Global build discorders. So the default notification, default GitHub server, web server, GitHub server, TPA, plugin, notifications, notification, no, right, tools and system configurations. Yeah, so this is the one global tools, the default configuration. So default setting providers use default moment settings, use the default moment global settings. Add JDK in Java hyphen 11, right? We install. What is the Java home? Java home is user lib. Java home is user lib. User lib Java. This is the home Java home. So this is the Java home. User lib JVM Java OpenJDK Messenger 64. Okay. then git, add a Maven, right? We will do configurations, Maven, this is the Maven. So we selected the Maven, add JDK. This is the path, right? Next, git add git, yeah, Maven installations. So Maven installation, add Maven. So here name Maven hyphen 3.9.6. So yeah, install Apache automatically, add a installer Maven home. Yeah, Maven, it will show now. Okay, save. Then you can build history, a new item. What is the enter name? If I ask the first Maven project, freestyle project. Okay. Maven project. Save. Build now. Console output. I started by the user admin, running the system, building the workspace. First Maven project. Finished success. Yeah, Maven is installed. Then configure Tomcat server or something like. So we need to select install the Tomcat and we can deploy our jar file. Jar file. This is the CI guys. What we can do, the CI. Notice I will show you. Yeah. So what we did the CA, right? We did the CA. Yeah. So this is the CI guys. So what we can include it. So we attached we install the Git and we install the plugin GitHub plugin. Then So Maven, we install the Maven and set the home and install the Maven. So the integration part is completed. Next, the deployment part. So the deployment part, already installed the kubectl. I already installed the kubectl and something like EKSCTL on the server. EKSCTL on the server, guys. Something like kubectl get parts. Yeah. So these are the parts I created. So what is the so this is the register.deployment.camel. So this is the Kubernetes, guys. Kubernetes is already selected. API version apps kind equal to last time we selected as a pod, but now deployment. So metadata, labels, aspects, specifics, replica to it automatically replica to selectors and the templates, the containers. What are the containers? Strategy and register app.service.com. Cat register app service.yaml. So this is the service, guys. So we already launched the instance. So let me check that one. Is that right? So go to the load balancers. Load balancers. So here we install the load balancer. Auto scaling. Yeah. So this is the EKS NG auto scaling. We already created the auto scaling group. Instance management. So this is the launch instance management. So the load balancer is not showing. Yeah, target groups. The target groups is created load balancer. Keep a auto scaling. Security placement group, network interfaces, volumes, and instances. So this is the hurry cluster ones, right? So select the load balancer. Yeah. Yeah, we created the deployments. Guys. I will create a video and I will show you to how to create this one. Actually, we created through this one. Yeah. What is this? Yeah. Deployment up to date. So something like a replica set. So this is the replica set, right? So apart from this is completed. If it will get all build success. So before that, 1 second, guys. Created after container. No, this is check. Kubernetes. Yeah, we can deploy the server through Ansible, and I will show you guys once. It is built, right? We'll start with Docker container, Docker image. No, guys. No. Be success. Go into playbook. Yeah. So this is the deployment, guys. So we'll show you something like how we can deploy our. So what we can do is, so next, so we can deploy our code. We can deploy our code into the. So in that purpose, we can use the. So we can use the. Yeah. So we can install the Ansible and Docker plugin, then deploy it in the Kubernetes. Kubernetes we already installed it. I will show you how to install that kubectl, EKSCTL and kubectl. You guys are also know how to install the kubectl and that Kubernetes. That part is done. So I want to integrate that Ansible to the get the artifact to the deploy into the Docker. Okay, container. So deploy into the Kubernetes container. So you can deploy into the Kubernetes container. So we'll show it on Monday, guys. We'll show it on Monday or Tuesday. So the next class will be Tuesday. So this part will show you how to install the Ansible and uh, how to how to integrate that Docker Hub and how to deploy it in the Kubernetes, guys. How to deploy it in the Kubernetes. We'll show you 1 second. What is that? Yeah. Yes. So this continuous build and continuous deployment, continuous delivery purpose, we are using Ansible. Ansible as the playbook, and we already installed the Kubernetes on one of the server, and how we can automate through the Ansible files. We will show you to guys. So something like it. Set up the Kubernetes case. I already set up the in case, write a prod service deployment, everything is done. Integrate Kubernetes with the Ansible. This part is pending. So once we integrate with the Ansible, then Ansible playbooks to create the deployment and service, then CI/CD job to build code on Ansible and deploy it on the Kubernetes. So this part is done, guys. This Kubernetes case installation, you also know that, right? How to install the Kubernetes. So Kubernetes part is done. So then integrate the Kubernetes with Ansible. So before that, we need to install the Ansible and we need to configure the Ansible. Then we need to create a YAML file for the Ansible to get the code to get the build, then it will deploy it on the server, deploy it on the servers. This part is pending, guys. So the CD part is pending. So we'll continue on the Monday or Tuesday, guys. Monday is the January 1st, right? From Tuesday onwards, we will show it to you. So maximum it will complete in 2 days. So the second part, CD part will show you. Okay. Just how to integrate the Jenkins, how to install the Jenkins, then how to integrate the Jenkins with that GitHub. So how to integrate with the Maven tools in the Jenkins. This is the CI part. We done the CI part. So then we can use the Ansible and deploy it on the Kubernetes points. So whatever the developer develop that code, it automatically take that code and deploy the code, build the code, then deploy it on the Kubernetes. So that is the project.
Okay, Harry, thank you. Please, I want to